Tyrannus Customs.
Is not available.
So, in case you're new here, this isn't exactly a regular episode. I guess you could say we needed a change of pace.
At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
For most people, the beach is a relaxing getaway. But for this crew, it looks a lot like a film set and a brand new place to go and get rowdy.
The last puzzle piece, you go grab the front. Dude, sick. What's that?
Always.
That was fun.
Yeah, man, we made it out to the beach.
That's right, bro. Tyrannus is on the move.
And got something to play with.
That's right. Little street build action for the beach, you know?
Yeah.
We're out here, we're taking it easy. Threw a little muffler on. We got Go Power Sports' sick street mini bike tires. Oh, I had to 3D print a new intake manifold because my mom got on the bike, had a great time. Did you catch that? And immediately after that clip, she whiskey throttled into a fence and broke the air filter off. So we've got a brand new one, thanks to Mama D, and it's actually sick.
It looks so gnarly, and I like that you can see the gasket you printed too.
Little intake manifold on there.
Dude, is that a different design or is that the same design?
The base is the same design, but
And
then
this is different?
I made this
Oh my
sweat
god!
net off of it so that you could attach
Dude,
a standard air filter.
I haven't seen that before.
No, I know, that's brand new.
That's wild. That looks really cool.
I pried that off the printer before I got in the car to leave.
All right, so we've been teasing this street build for kind of a while.
That we have, dude.
So I think it's about time that we go do what we do best. What do you say?
I agree.
Let's do that.